So look at that guy. Whoa, look at that. Okay guys, it's 9 o'clock in the morning here. We're about a few miles from to Kansas City. So we got there's 4 of us. It's my son driving, and in the back we got my brother and his son right there. Okay, BPV here. We left at 2:30 today, this morning, and we just got here, and it's about 8:30 p.m. and the boys are just setting up tent here. We're gonna try to see if we can get a good night's sleep, and then start a hunt tomorrow. So if you can see here, trying to set up tent as quickly as possible. It's been a long day. March 3rd, guys. We're on our way to our hunting spot. There seems to be a lot of signs on the trail here. See something to bring the action to you, so follow along.
Buy these now. What's the normal? These are nice, but more hog down, huh?
Okay guys, so today we're hog hunting here. There's a whole bunch of signs of hogs here, and today I'm running my SBE2, and I'm shooting these Winchester double aught buckshot. This area here is only buckshot only, so we have to comply with the law and regulations here. I'm running my Tacticam up here, and this is it right here. I put some sights, running iron sights. I've taken hogs with this already, with this setup, in my previous January hunt. I don't know if you saw that video, but feel free to check it out. Running my ammo holder. This is customized by me, if you can look at it. This pad right here, I customized and made that. If you're interested, I have that for sale as well too, if you like. It holds for a rifle and also for shotgun. So if you like that, I can put a link down for you guys to buy it too. It's very sturdy. It's made of neoprene, so you know, the same kind of material that they make for scuba diving material or suits. And it's got the Velcro on the back here, and you just Velcro it. So excuse my sling, I forgot my sling, so I'm just you know, doing what I can to put a sling on. But this is what I got running. I'm running seven in here and 3 here, and hopefully that should do the trick. So this is you want the long one, I can get you the long one. Just lean towards the log, okay? Yeah, just take your time. Side step. Okay guys, I'm hot on this trail here. There's a whole bunch of pigs that came through this area here. Fresh tracks all over. And they came from this direction. I was trailing them about a couple hundred yards from here. It looks like they just came through this area. You can see all the tracks, fresh tracks here. And they're headed that way. So I'm gonna slowly make my way there and see if I can catch up to them and see where they are. I got the whole day to track them, so I should be okay. So it's very hot today. Very, very hot. Humid too. The rain just came through. The sun came up. There's a nice breeze as well. So I'm gonna track these pigs here and hopefully I run into them. And we'll see. All right, guys. This all went so fast. I forgot even to turn on my Tacticam. All of a sudden, it just appeared like 10 yards from me, out in the thickets, and I took one shot. Got this one. It ran about maybe about 40 yards. And then there's another big black one that I shot, and he's over there too. So we're gonna drag this one over and dress them over there, since over there is closer to the trail. But we've been looking for them all day today, and there were fresh signs, but we couldn't find them. And we decided to just kind of go through this patch here, and you know, it is what it is. The unexpected happens. So here it is. There are a bunch of little piglet. I shot one. It ran over there, and maybe I'll go and retrieve it later. But we're gonna take this one over. Hot and muggy out here, so we want to take care of ASAP. There's a big boy. Okay guys, it was a long day hunt. It's actually around 1 o'clock now. We've been hunting real hard. There were a lot of activities, fresh activity, but who knows. And we decided to go through this area here, and I didn't even get a chance to turn on my Tacticam, and these guys popped up within maybe less than 10 yards in front of me, and nailed it. So we were able to cap on these two. Look at the cutters here. Look how sharp it is. And got this one, that one. There's a little piglet that I shot over there too. Most important thing is we're able to cap. All right, work begins. We're packing out. Everyone's putting in their Mystery Ranch pop-up. It is about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. We're probably gonna just call it, go and just chill at camp. cook some food, chill. The weather is kind of muggy, hot and muggy. It makes it for a very exhausting hunt. Plus, I'm almost out of water, so I drink a lot of water just to stay dehydrated. So, all load heavy.